In today's video, I'm going to show you how to warp images in Adobe Express using the Warp Wonder add-on. This lets you reshape an image with preset warp styles and adjustable controls before adding it back into your design. Start by opening the Adobe Express project you want to work on. Once you're in the editor, go to the left-hand toolbar and click Add-ons. At the top of the Add-ons panel, use the search field and type Warp Image. Give the results a moment to load. Then find the add-on called Warp Wonder and add it to Adobe Express. Quick side note, for more practical Adobe Express tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Once Warp Wonder has finished loading, its controls will appear in a panel on the right. First, use the aspect ratio dropdown to choose the format you want for your image. This helps make sure the warped result fits the layout you're creating. Next, choose how you want to bring in the image. You can either upload an image from your computer or select Import Current Page if you want to use the design that's already on your canvas. In this example, choose Upload an Image. When your computer's file browser opens, locate the image you want to warp, select it and click Open or press Enter. After the image has been added, click the Warp tab at the top of the right side panel. You can now position the image on the canvas and choose a warp style from the available options. Try the different styles to see how each one changes the shape of your image. You can also adjust the corner radius if you want the warped image to have softer, more rounded corners. Then use the handles around the image in the canvas or the preview area to fine-tune the warp. Drag these handles until the image has the shape and placement you're looking for. When you are happy with the result, click Add to Design. Adobe Express will place the warped version of your image directly into your project. And that's it. You've successfully warped an image in Adobe Express.